this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to hide your Instagram profile from someone. Let's get started. First thing you can do is make your Instagram account private. For that, launch Instagram, navigate to profile page, click on three bars. Now scroll down and head over to the option privacy. Now toggle on for the option private account. This will make your posts and stories visible only to your followers. If you want to prevent a specific person from seeing your profile altogether, go to their profile, tap the three dots in the top right corner of their profile and select block. Confirm by tapping block again. This will hide your post, stories and profile from that person. If you don't want to block someone but still want to limit their interaction with your content, you can select the option of restrict. This will prevent them from commenting on your post or seeing when you are active or when you have read their messages. And that's it. This way you can easily hide your Instagram profile from someone. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.